What's good with y'all, man? I don't know if y'all can see me. I don't feel like setting everything up. I'm just in my bed because I feel like I need to make this video for y'all because I made a post about it, but now I'm about to make a whole video so y'all all know, you feel me? Or at least more of y'all know, you feel me? So, actually about this thumbnail and the title, bro. This video is about hertz, you feel me? Frequencies, you feel me? So, people can use frequencies to either, literally whatever you need, bro. If you need to meditate, you listen to a frequency. If you have a stomach ache, it's a frequency. Headache frequency, all the chakra frequencies, earth frequencies, it's different planet frequencies. Like, it's frequencies for everything that you need, bro. If y'all hear voices, because my mom talking to my auntie in the room. But yeah, don't mind it, you feel me? This video is actually gonna have X in it, so stay tuned towards the end. He's gonna have like the last 2 minutes to talk about whatever I'm talking about, so y'all know I'm not just speaking no BS, you feel me? Now the hertz that I'm talking about now is 432 hertz, you feel me? 432 HZ, that's what they abbreviated, but it's spelled Hertz. I mean Z, my fault, not S, Z. And that is the earth frequency, you feel me? It helps you connect and vibe, like flow with earth, you feel me? It help you just go with earth, and whatever earth give you, that's what you know what I'm saying, that's what you're gonna get, you feel me? Now you can meditate to this music. It can be rap music. It's a whole bunch of music that's converted. Like your favorite rap song, bro, is most likely converted to 432 hertz. You can meditate to them. I don't really prefer meditating to it because I just don't do it because it's just, bro, the raps, I don't know. I could probably do it to one playlist, but other than that, no. So what I'm gonna do for y'all, bro, I'm not gonna speak too long. What I'm gonna do for y'all is, I'm already in the process of doing it right now. This is what I'm doing for y'all, bro. Look, y'all see this right here? Hopefully it'll focus. 432 right here, bro. Y'all see this right here? 432. That is a pop playlist of music, bro. I'm only doing pop right now because I have a rap one too. Don't get me wrong. Look, I got 2 playlists, like a whole bunch of songs. I got 275 songs of the pop playlist, bro, and then I got 570 of like the rap music, you feel me? Now, not every single song for the pop music or the rap is 432 hertz, but 95% of it is, and 100% of the music makes you feel good, bro. So I might publish the playlist right now as I'm editing it. I don't know. We're adding on more songs, I don't know, but I want to try to get to know about this, bro. I want y'all to feel good, you feel me? I'm putting y'all on the new stuff. But yeah, here go X right here. He gonna talk more about it. I'm just giving y'all a little brief thing about what it is and all that. But make sure that you like, comment if you're new, subscribe. I'm in there right after X, you feel me? Look at the playlist, bro. The music is gonna be good, you feel me? It's gonna be some old bangers, and I got some new music that's coming for the other playlist soon, you feel me? I just gotta finish this one, but I'm gonna see y'all next one, you feel me? Tswanzy gang and no gang, oh yeah.
Sometimes it's to help people find themselves, because music is frequency programming. Music is frequency. What frequency are you being fed? I figured out that hertz is to understand the frequency vibration, right? So there's kilohertz. Well, sorry, there's hertz, kilohertz, megahertz, right? And then there's, I think it's ultra hertz. If I play with those frequencies, right, I can target certain parts of the mind, target the frequency to go to certain parts of the mind, and I can literally, like, if I want you to astral project, right? You know what astral projection is? No. If I want you to astral project, or if I want you to go to sleep, or if I want you to go into a meditative state, I can make my music do that. These little niggas out here don't give a fuck enough to go into that science, bro. These little niggas ain't studying kilohertz, megahertz, and doing all this shit. These little niggas don't know how to equalize, compress, and do all this shit. And the ones that do, okay, maybe your music not good enough to where it got to where, or maybe you not real enough. Maybe your goal's not good enough. Sorry. There's some people out here that do that. You know what I'm saying? That do work. But maybe you ain't putting in the ambition. Maybe you ain't saying the right shit. Maybe you not you. Maybe you trying to sound like somebody else. I ain't, bro. It's a blessing. Hell yeah. But, bro, I worked. Bro. You could ask anybody around me, nigga. I worked, bro. My mom will tell you. I've been doing this shit.